Anyone around wants to say hello? Beautiful little cemetery area, this one. Can you call out your name for us? We've got a little bit of flashing. Calling. Buried here in the cemetery. A lot of flashing there. Can you tell us your name? Can you just move that away a little bit? I'm still getting flashing. We shouldn't get any flashing. I have to move everything again.
I'm sorry. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Wait, 9. This is Jagger.
Wait, 9.
This is Jagger. Now I can see you flashing the K. You're flashing the K too. Can you stop now? Can you do it again? Can you flash the green lights? We'll play a game. Green light or red light? Which one are you going to do? Red light! There we go.
Red light.
There
Okay.
we go.
Very good.
So can I do my red light now? I'll do my red light. Oh, rolling away.
Rolling away.
Yeah. There's my red light. That's not supposed to be doing that. Should have stopped running. So, you got a green light or a
Can you
red
flash
light?
it again for us?
Green light or red light? I'm thinking about it.
I'm just wondering if it's a phone.
It's not.
It's not the phone.
It would have done it again. There's my red light. Where's your red light?
Have you seen us here before?
Someone's standing behind me there. You want to come around and touch the K2 meter? I know you're behind me.
Can you light up the ball or light up the meter again? Just to show everybody that you're here.
This is Jagger.
Do you like Jagger?
He's a cute little guy.
Was a deep voice. Oh, a little bit of flashing again.
Might have been one of the Indigenous. They have deep voices. Oh, that was a full
Ah, there's a couple of names that I've read here today and a couple of times before that I know. Have I met you at the hospital?
You know Rick?
Is there anybody here that knows me from the hospital? Can you light up the K2? Can you light up the meter? Yeah? You've got a little bit of a flash there.
I'm picking up somebody that you know quite well.
Have I met you at the hospital?
Hi Rick! That's what that was. Hi Rick!
I think that was my name called out.
Yeah, hi Rick. You know Rick?
Can you tell me your name? Ogden.
You know he's standing behind me.
I do remember an Ogden.
Someone's standing there. I don't know who. Bailey.
Bailey. Yeah, I think I know a Bailey. Okay. The ball's lighting up here too. Okay. Yep. Is Julie here?
Yes, She's doing this, but with it. She's waving at you like this.
Are you here, Julie?
Can you flash the green light, Julie? Or give Rick a good shove, one of the two, with your good arm. Knock him clear of his feet. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
He's trying. Hi.
Hi, Julie. How are ya?
I'm not sure where she is, but
You're not looking so harmless now. That's an in-joke.
pretty armoury.
I don't know what that she said, but...
Give him a good shove, Julie. She's trying.
Yeah, bit of flashing. It's interesting as I walk around this beautiful part of the cemetery. I've noticed some names on some of the graves, and some of those names I've known from St John of God Hospital.
Give him a good shove. Come on. Tap into my energy. Knock him off the bench. Someone has to.
And I had the privilege to meet them, take them around the hospital, and unfortunately some of the names I had to take down myself, down to our mortuary.
Hey Julie, who else is
A bit
here?
of flashing there. You agreeing with that?
Walton, is there a Walton? You know Walton there?
I'm not sure.
Walton, there's a Walton. Can you yell out your name? Is there anyone
Just
here?
very quickly, can you, before I turn it all off, can you light up your name? Can you yell out your name for us?
Oh, that was that one.
Well, that was pretty deep.
J. R&J.
Not too sure what that said.
That was definitely a street horse.
Well, thanks for talking to us, and the ball's lighting up again too.
Is there anyone here that knows me? Someone does.
You would have seen us walking around quite a few times here because we love this part of the cemetery. This is what a cemetery should look like.
There's a particular spirit here that knows me.
This is a cemetery, not a cemetery.
Cemetery. There's someone here that knows me, but I'm not going to go and say now out of respect for him.
Well, thanks for chatting with us. Anything you'd like to say before we go? Leprechaun.
Leprechaun.
We've got some Irish here.
That might be Seamus. He might be coming down from the back. We haven't been up to see him. Seamus, have you wandered down?
It's a lovely part of the cemetery, this one.
That would have been Seamus.
We, you know, they should have more like this. It's beautiful.
Yeah, Seamus is down here. I've got 30.
Still available. You got a stone waiting for me.
I think we'll go down the front near the down. Sarah Carrier. He's here.
All right. Cheers.
See ya.
Thanks for talking to us.
Bye.